Hello PHPers, Bruce here with another demonstration video, and this one on classes. As you can see here on line 5, the title of this particular file, right, this HTML document, this PHP script, is classes. So what is a class, right? Well, you can think of a class as a template. We learned about classes in Intro to Programming and some other classes, and now it's time to learn about them in PHP and how you construct them. Okay, so inside my PHP tags here, I am going to create a class. Okay, that's the keyword. And then the name of the class, we're focusing on dogs right now. And essentially the goal here is to create a template for all standard dogs, okay, when we want to create a dog in code, okay, or something that represents a dog in code, maybe a dog that has fur, maybe a dog that has 4 legs by default, right? And those are some properties of dogs, right? But maybe we want our dog to bite or run or poop or something like that. Well, how do you do that in code? Well, I'm going to show you, okay? So here is our class called dog, and then we have to use something called, okay, the $var keyword here. I mean var keyword, not $var, var keyword. Okay, you may note you may have used that in JavaScript because you have to, but in classes you have to use it in PHP. So let's create some variables, and we'll call it $legs. And we'll say that all dogs have 4 legs, okay? And then let's create another variable, var $fur equals true, okay? So far, our dog has 2 properties, right? It has 4 legs and fur, but this isn't really a dog yet, right? This is a template to create a new dog. So how do we create a dog, okay? So let's create $Fido. Okay, so $Fido, for those of you who may not know, is kind of like Fido is like a generic name for a dog. When you're kidding around and you say, you know, go let Fido out, okay, that's Fido, that's your dog, okay? And we use the new keyword, and then we type the name of the class, dog, and we put some parentheses, and now we have this object called Fido, and it has 4 legs and it has some fur, okay? So how do we print out these values? So check this out. Echo $Fido. Then we use this character dash and greater than sign, okay? And then let's just say legs, okay? We omit the $sign when we print out the property. So let's save that, and let's actually add in some text here. Our dog is named Fido. Fido has, okay, dot, and then we'll put over here legs, okay? And that's just saying that Fido has 4 legs. It should be at least, right? So let's go into our browser and let's launch demo 1, and it says Fido has 4 legs, and that's the expected results, right? And just to show you, if we create another dog right now, let's create a dog called, I don't know, George, okay? George equals a new dog, okay? And there he is. We have a variable that's holding the object reference here for the new dog. And now we can say echo George, right? George has, and then we'll append on $George. Then we'll use that minus greater than sign, legs, legs, right? And how many legs should George have, right? George should have 4 legs, and we should probably put a break here and a break here so our formatting looks okay. So let's go back, let's refresh, and now we have Fido and George, okay? 2 dogs. They're very nice dogs, by the way, in case you don't know them. And they both use this same template, right? So when I add another property or method to this class, right, those dogs will get it, right? So Let's do var $i's equal 2. Okay, so let me save that. And if I go down now here and I say echo out, George has, okay, and then I'll say George, then the property i's, and I'll append on i's and a break and a semicolon, and here we go. And George has 2 i's, right? So we can create one or more properties for our class of dog, okay? And again, note how the class name has a capital D, okay? And we can create one or more dogs based upon this class, okay? So again, these are properties. So what I want to do, and I'll do it in the next movie, is I will show you how to create methods that are things, right, that each of these dogs can do. Okay, so I'll leave this up here so you can see the code, and I'll catch you in the next video.